Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to get the CapCut Pro version for free on your phone. So we'll unlock those premium features without spending a dime. So let's just dive right into the video. So in order to do so, one of the easiest way and the safest way to get the CapCut with the premium features is through the official app store. So here's how you can do it. First of all, you may just directly head over to the Play Store application on your device if you are on an Android device. And here, you're going to go ahead and tap on search. After going to the search, you're going to directly type in CapCut here and hit the search. After hitting the search, you can go ahead and download it and then open it on your device and wait for the app to be loaded onto your screen. After it is loaded, on the upper corner, you can find the Pro version, which means you can directly go ahead and tap on the Pro, and you can purchase different kind of premium features through regular updates. So you may just go ahead and purchase the offers. So if you found this offers not affordable, you may just look out for different kind of events in CapCut that will allow you to download the CapCut Pro version in your own niche. So you may just go ahead and look out for those. And that is one of the most easiest way you can get the Pro version in CapCut. Otherwise, what you can do is head over to the CapCut browser instead. Since we don't really have a direct way of getting the CapCut Pro for free, CapCut browser allows us to use each and every features for free. For that, head over to any of the browser. After that, you may just directly go ahead and type in CapCut at the above side. Let me just open the Chrome browser instead. And here we're going to go ahead and look out for CapCut. After going here, you're just going to log in using your login credentials. And then at the top right corner, you can find a 3 dot. You need to turn on the desktop side in order to get all of the features available. So here you can see I have turned on the desktop side and logged in using my CapCut account. So here, every features here is free for me. So you may also follow the same process in order to get the CapCut Pro for free. So these are the process you may follow, and now you know how to get CapCut Pro features for free on your phone. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any future tips. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.